everybody, so today I got a slime package, and I'm super sorry if my cat's being annoying. Oh my god. My cat is gonna obviously knock over this camera 1,000 times, but yeah, that's just what cats do, because I have a new little tiny kitten. So we'll start with this one. I bought this from Amazon. I didn't ask for a specific order, I just said, Amazon, you need to give me a slime package for YouTube to view, and then give you guys good grades. And it was like, okay. And here's the first slime. It's a crunchy slime, and it's actually very glittery. As you can see, it kind of looks like mermaid slime, but it doesn't show up as turquoise as it is in real life. It's like turquoisey green. Oh my god, cat! My cat's behind me. I'm trying to get a shot of it. Yep, there it is. Yes, it is real. It's not fake, because it's making all that noise by the cardboard next one. I don't know if I already showed you this. Oh my god, cat, are you okay? Are you scared of my phone or something? Yes, I'm recording on my phone. Oh my god, cat, can you please stop? I need to put down my pop socket. I have a kickstand now, but here's the second slime. It's oozy, and I actually like ooze, and it's very jiggly. Look. I hope the camera doesn't keep falling down, but if it does, I am super sorry, because it's just annoying. The next one is this. It's supposed to be color changing slime. They gave me like an envoy or whatever it's called. But yeah, here it is. It's red right now, but it kind of shows orange first of all. But after the heat goes on it for a while, it will turn yellow, which, yeah. It's supposed to, at least. Hopefully it does. After this video, I'm going to test it out, and I'm going to show you. Oh my god, my cat's in the shot completely. Cat, I need to move you. This is my cute little kitty. You need to go on this side of the camera. The last, but not least, is Crazy Art. Oh my god. Squishy skin was stuck on it. Last but not least is this. Crazy Art, which is backwards, pink neon. I'm trying to read it backwards. Pre-made slime. And then it's 24 fluid ounces. And it's supposed to be pink. And I don't know, but like the green one that I bought, it smells like apple cider, but it never says anything about smelling like apple cider. So I'm going to smell this one. Oh my god, it's so glittery. I'm going to smell it. Ooh, it does. It wasn't lying. It wasn't lying. Oh my god, guys, I'm so sorry. I am so sorry about that. That was just the container. The camera keeps falling into my slime. Wow, it's more glittery. Like, the other one wasn't glittery at all, but this one's so... Oh my god, a chunk fell out. And yes, this is the last one. And it's... Oh my god. It's not the stretchiest, but probably because it's, like, super duper cold. Like, this is freezing. All the slimes are pretty cold. So that's it for this video. Hope you liked it. And please subscribe and leave a comment in order to get a shout out maybe in the next video. Bye!